forget you, only ride round when you're done. I'll try to protect you from the lies that you have won. A dream where it's always sunny, you're second to none. So don't you go alone, alone.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are at the one of the coolest places on Bengaluru, that is the IKEA. This is one of the largest IKEA showroom in India, in Bengaluru. It's located in Nagasandra. Let's get inside and let's do shopping of furnitures. Let's see what this IKEA showroom holds. Okay, so we're going into the showroom. I'll show you the showroom.
If you are someone who loves to spend time with your family or love to have candlelight dinner with your girlfriend, then you need to have this dining table at your home. Sofas are always so comfy to sit and chat with someone or have snacks and binge watch your movie or series. Then this sofa is a perfect buy. Who doesn't love sleeping for hours on bed? Then this comfy bed has everything you need. People who love themselves or can't handle their beauty looking at the mirror, then definitely you should have this round mirror at your home. If you are a foodie who loves to have different dishes on the dining table, then this one is for you.
Kitchen utensils area. Dining table. Kitchen area. Bathroom area. You can use this curtain. The shower area. You can cook anything. This is the oven. Temperature controlled oven. And next is fridge. Lot of space for fruits, vegetables, milk, all your veggies. Dining room area.
If you are a gamer who enjoys playing computer gaming, then this gaming chair is such a fantastic buy for you.
So this was really an amazing shopping experience in IKEA. So the showroom was very huge and there are a lot of sections all around, and if you are one who is looking for buying a furniture or how to decorate your room or your home, this is the shopping mall you should visit with your family. And so we had a wonderful time visiting this IKEA showroom. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos, for more such videos.